my name is Tiana Despain. This video will be going over the program that we've written for applied technology this week. It is our first week of the semester, and we're just reviewing how to push to GitHub and how to use Python and VS Code. So right now I've got VS Code open here, and I've written this Hello World program, which just is a simple print statement, Hello World. I've got a comment here explaining what's happening. When I run this program, it'll go ahead and return Hello World to the terminal. I also have a README. The README is important so that people on GitHub know what this assignment is and what it was made for. So in order to push this to GitHub, we're going to go over to the source control, select all changes, and we're going to say updated the comment for program. It's important to be pretty specific on these to make sure we know where our changes are. So we'll go ahead and sync the changes. And once that loads here, we can head over to GitHub on this side, and I have my repository open here. And then we can click on Hello World, and here's the README, and it says it was updated 17 seconds ago. So there it is, there's the program for this week.